Make a call to him. Make a call to him. इसे फोन कर दो. I had a stomachache. I had a stomachache. मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा था. I was just sitting. I was just sitting. मैं बस बैठा हुआ था. It will be for 5 rupees. It will be for 5 rupees. इसकी कीमत 5 रुपया होगी. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. चलो एक काम करते हैं. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. मैं इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ. Isn't there anyone? Isn't there anyone? क्या वहाँ कोई नहीं है? I will not give up. I will not give up. मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. Power has gone off. Power has gone off. लाइट चली गई है. Everyone was asking about you at home. Everyone was asking about you at home. घर में सब तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ रहे थे. He is my friend who had called you. He is my friend who had called you. वो मेरा दोस्त है जिसने तुम्हें कॉल किया था. What is the harm in telling the truth? What is the harm in telling the truth? सच कहने में हर्ष क्या है? How many times have I told you before? How many times have I told you before? मैं तुम्हें पहले ही कितने बार कह चुका हूँ. Sorry, I should have told you earlier. Sorry, I should have told you earlier. माफ़ करना, मुझे ही तुम्हें बता देना चाहिए था. I would have prepared something for you. I would have prepared something for you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ बना लेता. Which fool answered the phone at home? Which fool answered the phone at home? घर पर फोन किस बेवकूफ़ ने उठाया था? अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.